So do subscribe the channel Udita's Classroom and press the bell icon so that you can't and never miss the updates from Udita's Classroom, where you can go and check the playlist and you can see the job notifications where you can get some government and private job and online money earning strategy, and also check the classroom getting engineering tutorial and some discussion where you can get tips and tricks how to crack your exam. So
hi everyone,
subscribe
welcome to each and everyone to my channel. Today I am here for describing a new job notification which has published from Tata Consultancy Services. Tata Consultancy Services is nothing but a renowned multinational company under the Tata Group, and it has published around 40,000 job vacancies for the freshers. And in this video I am going to share with you who can apply, eligibility criteria, are 12 pass candidate are eligible for this job or not, and actually the selection process, how they select you, and the total format, how to apply. So all the important notifications, important points I am going to discuss in this video. As because Tata Consultancy Services before has to give the opportunity around 25 to 30% workers from work from home, but due to the corona pandemic they have released the opportunity for around 70 to 80% candidates and clients to submit their project through work from home. So it is depending upon the work from home criteria. So how to apply? If you interested, then see this video till the end, because in this video at the ending portion the structure of the selection process is also described here. Keep watching this video.
So when we write in Google, that is TCS next step, then such type of interface you will find out, and the first one should be clicked here. So here you can get the TCS next step. Here get the alert, campus community, TCS badge, help support and login. So here first what should you do? First you have to register now. Click on the register now, and like this interface you can see, that is where you can get the two opportunities. One is IT and another one is the BPS, information technology, and another one is the business process services. So in both cases you have to apply, but only one you have to choose. So here it is strictly mentioned that you have a choice to apply for IT or BPS, or means only one you have to choose. Please note that you can register with us under only one category, and registering in incorrect category may lead you to repeat the entire registration process. So if we go to IT, either IT or BPS, in both cases such type of form you can see, and in that case you have to fill up this form with your actual data. That means that is that name. That means first you have to mention your title, that is either Mr., Mrs., Doctor, and then first name, middle name and last name. Then you have to go to that your date of birth, day, month, year accordingly. Select your gender, email ID through which they will contact with you, mobile number. This mobile number also must be valid, and then institute name from where you have been passed out, your graduation or BTech degree, qualification. Here qualification, if we select, here we can get, that is various type of qualification is here. So not only BTech candidates, also graduations degree holder in different field can apply for this job. Year of passing, please mention here the actual year of passing, and the nearest test location from where you can go to give your test exam, because though the corona pandemic is going on, but one day it will be overcome, and we have to prepare for ourselves and grab some opportunity. Now come here, enter password. According to the TCS password policy, re-enter the password, select security questions. Some security questions you have to select here and give the answer of that particular question, and also solve this captcha, and then you have to click the submit portion. Let's see the BPS, business processing sector, and in that case this is also the same as the form which I have already seen in that IT sector. You go to and pass this form and apply according to your choice. So guys, firstly we have to see how the selection process is goes on, where we can get the 3 steps of selection procedure. First one is the written exam, and after that is divided in 2 parts, that means interview, and this is consisting with technical interview and personal interview. Coming point out the written exam, where academic criteria is minimum 60%, no backlogs should be there, and a gap of students for up to 2 years is must be for the valid reason may be allowed for this. Now come here the test description, where minimum 90 minutes you will get some time to clear the written exam, and that is also depending upon the MCQ questions, and the negative marking is selected here as 0.33 in quantitative aptitude and the programming language, and where in quantitative aptitude this is consisting with average, time, function, time and work, algebra, and all these numericals problem will consist in the quantitative aptitude. Now come here the coding test, where C, C++, Java, Python, that should be hold, and overall the level of the paper is modern. Only those candidates who clear the written exam will only qualify for the next round, and the next round is mainly the test pattern. Here the minimum number of the questions with the time allotted here, and according to the section of the subject is mentioned here, and last but not the least is the TCS interview process, and where some technical interview happened, and all the things is mentioned in there. Just read this, and I think that will be clear to you.
So guys, here the salary structure is near about 15 to 20,000 per month, which is around to 2.4 lakhs per annum, and with some allowances it will be grow up to 3 lakhs per annum. So it is quite good salary structure during this economical structure of our country. And if hopefully this video is helpful to you, if you are helpful, then share this video through your social media site, through your friend circle, and obviously like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Take care. Goodbye.